Good day, everyone. My name is Vanessa Faith Puyong, the first reporter for this chapter 6 Groups and Teams in Organizations. Specifically, I will be tackling about the nature of groups. Our topic outlines are we will be tackling the nature of groups, the types of groups, and the 5 stages of group development. What is group? So social scientists define group as a collection of two or more interacting individuals with a stable pattern of relationship between them. These individuals share a common goals, vision, and perceive themselves as being a group, more than simply a collection of people. Another definition of group is it emphasizes the social interaction between two or more people, that these interactions, whether face to face or whatnot, might have some influence on each other and has an impact on their lives. Now we will be discussing the types of groups. The first one is the formal groups. Itong groups na to ay created within the organization and ang intention na create itong group na to is ang members are directed towards some important organizational goals. The example of formal group is command group. This is a group determined by the connections between individuals who are a formal part of the organization, such as those who can legitimately give orders to others. For example, a vice president of a marketing department of an organization, magpapatawag siya ng meeting sa kanyang mga regional marketing directors around the country para hingin yung mga ideas, concepts nila sa kanilang advertising campaigns. So, in this command group, mayroong taga-command and mayroong nagre-report doon sa commander na yon. So, kinakailangan or kailangan talaga na malaman ng mga nagigive ng kanilang reports kung kanino sila magre-report and kailan. Another example of formal group is the task group, composed of individuals with some special interest or expertise in a specific area, regardless of their positions in their organizational hierarchy. For example, a company may have a committee on equal employment opportunities whose members monitor the fair hiring practices of the organization. It may be composed of personnel specialists, corporate vice presidents, and workers from the shop floor. Um, these task groups are commonly found in organizations. Another type of groups is the informal groups. It is developed naturally among an organization's personnel without any direction from the management of the organization within which they operate. So normally, okay, or occasionally, these informal groups are united with the individual's interests. So some example of informal group are interest group and friendship group. So interest group, it is not dictated by the organization but encouraged by an expression of common interest. For example, in an organization, there are some personnel there na marunong mag-basketball. So they will talk or set a schedule na wherein they will bond na mag-basketball sila or maglaro sila ng basketball if day off nila or after work. And after which, some of this bonding will turn into friendship group. Oftentimes, it extended beyond the workplace because they provide opportunities for satisfying the social needs of workers that are so important to their well-being. So, sometimes, yung mga friendship or yung at first nag-umpisa lang sa same interest, nagiging beyond the workplace na siya, nagiging part na siya ng life mo. For example, nagiging ninang na siya ng anak mo, or iniimbitahan mo na siya sa mga birthdays ng kamag-anak mo or birthdays mo. Change is inevitable. Thus, all groups may change over time because groups members come and go as well as their group tasks. Subsequently, their goals may also change, but a group members gained an experience in interacting with each other. One well-known model of group development is the five-stage of Bruce Stockman, which this is my last topic for this discussion. So first, we have here forming. In forming, group members try to get to know each other and establish a common understanding as they struggle to clarify group goals and determine appropriate behavior within the group. Dito pa lang yung parang building rapport pa lang ng mga tawag ito, mga personnel ng isang organization or employee ng isang company. Next is the storming. It is characterized by considerable conflict. Group members resist being controlled by the group and disagree about who should lead the group or how much power the leader should have. So in here, storming is mayroon ng slight conflict na nangyayari within the group members kasi dito na yung parang nakikita na kung sino yung may mga potential na maging isang leader ng isang group or maging member lamang ng isang group. Next is the norming. In here, group members really start to feel that they belong to the group and they develop close ties with one another. So, in norming naman, parang na-overcome na nila yung conflict sa storming and through that conflict, mas naging, tawag ito, mas naging close ties sila with one another kasi mas nakilala na nila yung isa't isa. In forming, the group is ready to tackle group tasks and work toward achieving group goals. The real works get accomplished in this stage. So, in performing naman, pinoform na nila yung mga goals, yung mga ano ba yung mga tasks, mga works na naka-assign sa kanila, and usually yung mga tasks and works na yun is na-accomplish na dito sa stage na to. The last stage is the adjourning. The group disbands after having accomplishing its goals. So, dito naman sa adjourn, parang yung group na na-form is tapos na yung goals na need nilang ma-achieve. Kung kaya, they will be setting another group para naman sa another set of goals na kailangan nilang i-achieve. According to researches, hindi itong 5 stage ni Bruce Stockman is hindi gaanong nangyayari within the organization in order na nandito sa PowerPoint na ito. Sometimes sometimes naghahalo yung ordering na ito, nakadepende yon sa mga members ng grupo.